Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Passion. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to braid your hair for beginners. So I am starting off by parting my section here. I love to use the metal retro comb because to me, it gives you a cleaner, straighter part. And the grease that I'm using is some coconut oil by Blue Magic, and I also will be using some Live. You can get that from your local beauty supply store, and that just gives me a nice firm grip, and it also adds moisture to my hair. Alright, you guys, so right here I'm just showing you the section that I will be working with. It's up to your discretion whether you want to do a large section or small section. Okay, so here what I'm doing is I took the amount of hair that I want to use for my braid, and then I pinched a little small portion off of that, and I'm going to go and loop it around. That way I have 3 pieces of hair to start with, so the middle piece I will be latching on to my hair. Okay guys, so that middle portion, as you see, I am looping that on my hair, and then I'm going to start braiding. And this way it makes it easier for you to grip your hair when you do that loop around method to have that third piece in the middle. Alright, so I am going to continue to braid the braid all the way down, and then I'm going to move on to my next section. Alright guys, so I'm trying to show you the thickness of the hair of my actual braid, and then you'll see the difference between the amount that I take out in order to make that piece in the middle. Okay, so again, I take the smaller section and I wrap it around the larger section. That way it gives you 3 pieces of hair to work with. And then that middle piece, that's the part that I'm actually going to lay onto my hair in the middle. Okay guys, so I'm showing you another way that you can also braid your hair. You don't take out a section. You just use the two strands and use your hair as the middle piece. Now, if you decide to do your hair this way, you would have to take a piece of the braiding hair to add to your hair in the middle of the braid, versus if you start off with three pieces of braiding hair with the loop around method. So I'm just showing you how it looks. It looks the same once you add the hair to your hair, but it's just two different things that you have to do. If you start off, it'll be easier. If you start off with the three strands already, versus if you add the hair once you're already starting braiding your hair, if that makes sense. So once again, I am showing you the loop around method. You just need a small piece of hair. It doesn't have to be a large piece. This way I prefer, to me it's much easier and it's easier to grip your hair. Okay, so one more time, you guys. Once you get the amount of hair that you want to use for your braid, you pinch off a part of that and you take that smaller section and loop it around the larger section. and that will be used to latch onto your hair in the middle, so you don't have to add any hair to it. Once you're starting to braid your hair, it's just everything is done for you already, and it makes it easier for you to grip your hair as well. Alright guys, so I am just going to continue to braid this down all the way to the tip and prepare to dip my hair, and that is it, you guys. You are finished. So I hope this was nice and easy for you guys and you can keep up with it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified for my next upload, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.